Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change your MetaMask password. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course ensure that you're on the right MetaMask or the official MetaMask website. And now that you're here, you will just have to click this three lines button right here. And what you will do is you will look for settings. So just go ahead and click that. And then you will look for security and privacy, which is right here, and scroll down a little until you see change password. So what you will have to do is just click that, and then you will have to enter your current password, and then you will just have to click continue, and then you will set your strong new password. And that's basically just it, and then you will just have to save changes and log in again to test. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.